yesterday. The sunlight hurts my eyes. What are those shades? I'm way to yesterday. The sunlight.
Hello, back again with my cat. Are you talking, cat? Come on, say something. Say something. Can you hear it? Can you? Can you hear me? Cat? Cat? Wake up, you stupid asshole! Sorry about that word. Come on, wake up. Oh, you're tired. What we should do? Don't do that. Ouch. I had already taken my pizza. So what we gonna do? Cat, speak to me. Speak to me. Speak on me. Speak to me, you stupid cat. The only word you coming with are stop staring at me. I mean it. Stop staring at me. I don't like it. I don't like it. Come on, say something. I don't want to play games today. We're really tired today. So yeah, what we gonna do? I'm talking with my cat. It's kind of funny because it don't talk back to me, so I can say something like this. Hey, fuck you, stupid cat. You are so stupid. You are stupid. Stupid. Yeah, you are stupid. You are ugly. You like a slut. Yeah, you are so fat. There not a place to another cat in this world. You are so fat. Can you hear it? No talking back. It's wonderful. And the funny is it's really fat. Yeah, my cat is fat. So the cat is up now. So we're gonna end this episode or chat now. So can you say goodbye? Can you say goodbye, cat, kitty? Yep, it's say goodbye. And I will say goodbye now. Goodbye.